Did you know Dana Point Harbor is getting a $450 million makeover? How's that going to affect Dana Point home prices? Make sure you stick around till the end of this video because I'm going to give you my expert opinion on what I think is going to happen. I'm Holly McKhann, local realtor, a Dana Point resident of 8 years, San Clemente another few, and I love this area and I'm a big fan of Dana Point Harbor. Make sure you subscribe for more great real estate videos too. So when it comes to this Dana Point revitalization project, it has been in the works for decades. It's taken a long time, but man, are they going to make it so amazing. It's going to be world-class dining, shopping, recreation, all instilling the harbor's rich history into the revitalization. Going to have a big parking structure. That could be controversial. Some people don't like that, but other people are going to be really excited that there's going to be plentiful parking so more people can come and enjoy this great destination on the water. There's going to be garden pathways, greenscapes, extended retail and dining, boardwalk with a wide walkway for walking. I love to go down there and walk, and you can get a few miles in walking up and in and around the island and all that. So the walkway is going to be even wider than it is now. It is such a big, popular place for walking, and I see so many dogs and babies in strollers whenever I go. It's a great place to exercise, and the weather is so ideal too, so you don't get too hot during the summer. There's going to be 8 open areas for public and private events, stadium and picnic seating, concerts, movies, farmers markets, yoga. There's going to be so much fun activities and great spaces for the activities there. There's a surfing heritage museum in partnership with WSL, World Surf League, to honor surf legends and modern surf pros. There's going to be a colorful surfboard carousel showcasing those, coffee and wine bar, full service world-class marina for all the boats, and the environmental standards are high. They're really taking that into consideration with this huge renovation. There's going to be dry stack for over 400 boats where you can like whip out your phone, order your boat, and it will beep, 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 come down, drop in the water, and be available for you. So they haven't reduced the total number of slips in the harbor. They're keeping that the same, but they're making more large slips and making the small boats have to go to the dry storage and use that cool new system that they've designed. There's going to be an outdoor bar, fire pits, grocery, laundry for the and retail for the boaters, and it's going to be a big magnet and attraction for bigger, nicer boats to come and for the boaters of the world to come enjoy our local area. So that being said, how do I think this is going to impact home values? Well, we can see like that the median Dana Point home value is 1.6 million and Newport Beach is 2.9 million, almost double. Do I think that we're going to match that one because our harbor's going to be better like theirs? Not necessarily. And also Newport Beach is higher because it's closer to LA and Irvine, the big major employment centers. But I do strongly believe that our home values are going to be significantly impacted for the better. So will be even more popular as a vacation destination. That can be controversial too. Some people are like, no tourists. We don't want any more people coming. I say let them come. I love to share my town. I think we're a long way of being highly congested and overrun with tourists. And I personally don't think it's going to be that bad, but I want to know your opinion. So comment below your opinions about this big renovation. What do you think is going to happen with home prices? And of course, as always, hit me up with any questions and about the city or about real estate. I'm here to help you and your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching. All my contact info is below, and I'll catch you on the next one.